She is choosing a seat near the counter. She is choosing a seat near the counter. He has ordered a vanilla latte. He has ordered a vanilla latte. They are waiting for their coffee. They are waiting for their coffee. She has opened her notebook. She has opened her notebook. He is adding sugar to his coffee. He is adding sugar to his coffee. They have ordered some cookies. They have ordered some cookies. She is enjoying the warm drink. She is enjoying the warm drink. He has received his coffee. He has received his coffee. They are chatting at the table. They are chatting at the table. She has tasted the fresh cake. She has tasted the fresh cake. He is reading a book quietly. He is reading a book quietly. They have paid for their food. They have paid for their food. She is holding a coffee cup. She is holding a coffee cup. He has finished his sandwich. He has finished his sandwich. They are looking at the dessert menu. They are looking at the dessert menu. She has ordered another drink. She has ordered another drink. He is sitting beside his friend. He is sitting beside his friend. They have enjoyed their coffee break. They have enjoyed their coffee break. She is leaving the cafe now. She is leaving the cafe now. He has thanked the coffee shop staff. He has thanked the coffee shop staff.